Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update today. And let's talk about JASMY on the weekly time frames to kick things off. Right, so here we are in the weekly, and I do see JASMY dropping down to this level, okay, 0.02. This is where I'm looking for JASMY to come down. And the reason I told you before is because it came down like this. You're moving sideways. You made a bearish rectangle, you're breaking out of the bearish rectangle and you're looking to go down even way more to support the evidence of coming down. As you can see on the weekly, all you did is, at first you were holding this level of support, you came down, you made a wick and you closed, the body closed above this level, you made another support, one support here, some few more supports right there, but finally you can see that this is where you really closed below that line. So that's not a good sign at all. And from here, that only means one thing, okay, bearish rectangle sideways movement, and that's where I'm looking for JASMY to continue to drop down, and that's going to be huge, massive discount. To be honest with you, from 0.05 to 0.02, we're talking about nearly 70% move to the downside. Now that's the weekly. The daily isn't so cute either. The daily still looks ugly as well, and the reason why it looks ugly is because of the following. You do have this support previously that is now turning into resistance. You can see very, very clear resistance right there. So all you did is, yesterday you did make a little bit of a pump to the upside to 8789, but unfortunately, again, this was your support here, support right there, support right over here, break to the downside, it's turning it into resistance. From here, probably get rejected and start to move to the downside. So be very, very careful right now. And that's pretty much it for this very, very quick update right now on JASMY, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.